Hey everybody, and today I want to show you how to make your own application, mobile app. So without further ado, let's get started. First, create a new project. Well, the first thing we'll need is Kivy itself. Let's install it. In the terminal, let's type pip install Kivy. All right, now let's get our hands dirty. And the first thing we need to do is to import the MD app from kvmd dot app import the app, just like that. And let's build our first window. Class. So here we use the imported MD app as an argument for the class. So here we use the imported MD app in the parentheses, which means that the new app class inherits from this imported class. So MD app is a class. Uh, all right, and in this new app class, we'll define a build function, which is automatically recognized by Kivy. And first, let's just return. So now if we run, oh, it's too early to run. The last thing we need to do is to run the new app class. Now, now we already can run this code snippet. All right, here we are. This is the empty window that we have just created. Okay, now let's fill this app with some stuff. For that, we'll need to import builder from kivy.lang.builder import builder. Now let's use that builder. What this does is it takes a string and uploads it onto our application. And let me show you how to create a string. put the string into parentheses, into quotation marks like that. And here we are going to use the Kivy language. But before that, let's import some more dependencies that we're gonna use. We'll need screen and the screen manager. Because the application is going to have two screens, for each screen, we'll need to create a class. A class for the first screen, which inherits from screen that we've just imported. And here we'll just pass it. And the class for the second screen, which also inherits from screen, and we'll just pass it as well. Now here in the Kivy language, we are going to reference these classes. At the very top, just write screen manager. First and second. And here, let's reference this class. Class first, name. We need this parameter to reference the first screen from the Python code. And let's put MD rectangle, no, MD raise button. It has different parameters. It has a parameter text. Text is what you want to see is written in the button. And another thing is an event. But event is what you want to happen when you press the button. Here, you can use on press or on release. Here I want, when I press the button, I want to switch to the second screen. For that, I'm going to use change screen function, which I haven't created yet, but gonna do it just in a little while. And the next step is to create the second screen. Yeah, I forgot the colon here. And now let's get back to the Python code for creating the change screen function, this function. So we want this function to switch to the second screen. For that, it's necessary to reference this Kivy code. We're gonna do it in this way. First, use this function that stores the string. And then we'll have to use get in build, and after that, and now there is a built-in function called get screen. Here you, as a parameter to this function, you put the name second, then dot manager dot current equals second. Okay, let's run our code and see if it works. Uh-oh, there is an error. Low string missing one required positional argument string. What's wrong? Oh yeah, so here I forgot to put an argument which should be this function. This function stores the string. The string is this Kivy code snippet, and we put this Kivy code snippet into this function and then pass this function as a parameter here. Oh yeah, another mistake is here we have to return this self string. Now we see a screen with the button, and when we press the button, it goes to the second screen. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.